Marissa. Hi, Marissa. This is Marissa in her cage for now. And Rowdy. Hey, Rowdy. Rowdy buddy. Hi, babies. This is where they stay when nobody can be playing with them and when we go to bed. We keep them safe and isolated from other dogs that might have just come in. And if we go up here, this is Gruff and Gracie. Hi, guys. They are very, very shy, but they're just starting to like attention, aren't you, babies? Hi. Yeah, hi. And when I let them out, they are kind of funny. They're so used to being in tiny cages that she walks hunched over from being in the puppy mill. And he is so funny. He prances around like a little deer, and he just cracks me up, don't you, Gruff, huh? Gracie, come here. Hi, Gruffy. Hi, Gruff. Gracie, come here, buddy. I'll pet you. Come here, Grace. Hi, sweetie. Hi. So that's them. And we're going to back up a little bit. And this is China's cage. But right now she is out on the floor playing, where she spends most of the day because she and Norman get along really well, and they're very close buddies. So here's this bank of cages that I purchased with donations and adoption fees. And if we go over here, we have nobody upstairs in these two at this time. But if you come down here, you can see our little babies. They have the run of this cage here for sleeping and eating and pooping. And then we let them out to run around the room and play with Norman and China. Norman and China are really good with them. Norman thinks they're his kids. He's kind of funny because boys don't usually take care of little babies, but he seems to love them. So these are the babies, and they're playing. Open up the cage. Hi, baby. What are puppies doing, huh? There they are. There's Norman. He's going to go in and visit them because he loves them. Don't you, Norman? Are they your buddies? And here we go with China, who's out. Norman, come on out of there now, buddy. Good boy. Wait a second. A closed cage. There we go. And here is China. She is being paper trained, and she uses this little grass thing to pee on too. She's doing pretty good. She doesn't go when you take her outside yet, but so far she's doing good. And so this is the puppy room. Just wanted to show everybody how we have it set up. We like to get them out as often as possible and make sure that they are treated like members of the family so that they can become well adjusted and used to home living. So anyway, that's it. I just thought everybody would be interested in seeing these little guys, and you know, hopefully somebody will come and adopt them. All right, thanks.